You helping Daddy make your table? You want a hammer? You helping Daddy make your table? Good boy. Thanks, Sam. You're doing a great job.
You hammer?
Where's your hammer? Where's your hammer? You're gonna just crawl onto the table? Hi! Wow, Sam, you're being very helpful.
I already did that one.
Got the screwdriver. Thanks. I think we're gonna run out of time.
What's that? Gotta keep track of the ones we've done, Sam. So we'll do those 4, okay? No, Daddy needs that to screw.
There goes Sam. Bye-bye.
Sam, stay out of the bag. Where does that one go, Sam?
You got 10 seconds left. Oh, it's still going, even though it says no time left.
Can you help hammer? No? No, that's a screwdriver. Screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
Your uncle's. Yeah,
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Maybe that was your dad. I don't
That
know.
was you.
Was it?
Yeah.
Screwdriver.
I don't know why the tape's still going. It says there's no time left.
On where?
On the thing it says R000 and it's still recording.